House problems and repairs vocabulary. Listen and repeat after me. The bathtub is leaking. The bathtub is leaking. The sink is clogged. The sink is clogged. The hot water heater is not working. The hot water heater is not working. The toilet is broken. The toilet is broken. A plumber is responsible for these problems. A plumber is a person who fits and repairs the pipes, fittings, and other apparatus of water supply, sanitation, or heating systems. The roof is leaking. The roof is leaking. A roofer deals with this problem. A roofer is a person who constructs or repairs roofs. The paint is peeling. The paint is peeling. The wall is cracked. The wall is cracked. A painter is a person whose job is painting buildings. The cable TV is not working. The cable TV is not working. Cable TV company that provides television programs, internet access, and phone services using underground cables. The stove is not working. The stove is not working. The refrigerator is broken. The refrigerator is broken. Appliance repair person is a skilled person who diagnoses and fixes issues with household appliances, like refrigerators, ovens, washers, and dryers. There are rats, termites, fleas in the kitchen. There are rats, termites, fleas in the kitchen. Exterminator. Exterminator is a person whose job it is to kill unwanted insects or animals. The lock is broken. The lock is broken. Locksmith. Locksmith is a person who makes and repairs locks. The front light doesn't go on. The front light doesn't go on. The doorbell doesn't ring. The doorbell doesn't ring. The power is out in the living room. The power is out in the living room. Electrician. Electrician is a person who installs and maintains electrical equipment. The chimney is dirty. The chimney is dirty. Chimney sweep. Chimney sweep is a person whose job is cleaning out the soot from chimneys. The tiles in the bathroom are loose. The tiles in the bathroom are loose. Home repair person or handyman. Home repair person or handyman is a person who is skilled at repairs for keeping buildings or equipment around the home in good condition. The steps are broken. The steps are broken. The door doesn't open. The door doesn't open. Carpenter. Carpenter is a person who makes and repairs wooden objects and structures. The air conditioning is not working. The air conditioning is not working. Air conditioning service is responsible for this problem.